61st Hunger Marches Day was observed today, remembering 4 student leaders who were killed during a protest against what was described as an artificial scarcity of rice in Manipur in 1965. About 10,000 students took part in the observance, which was organized by All Manipur Students Union, Amsu. Speaking on the sideline, President of Amsu, Lukram Malangba, has stressed on the need to identify illegal immigrants before proceeding with census in Manipur. He also linked the crisis which started in 2023 to issue of illegal immigrants and warned government against the ramifications of any forceful census in the state. Recalling the Hunger Marches protest of August 27, 1965, Malangba said the All Manipur Students Union was formed the following day, with the organization subsequently emerging as a prominent student body in Manipur. Speaking further, Malangba referred to agreements reached with the government in 1980 and 1994 concerning illegal immigrants. He expressed disappointment on the delay by government in implementing the agreement which was reached following Go Back Foreigner agitation. Further, Malangba also urged state government to listen to the demand for implementation of the NRC before the census. The observance began with an early morning invocation, followed by the hosting of the Amsu flag and a floral tribute ceremony at the Students' Martyrdom Complex in Pisham, Chingamaka. It was followed by mass rally and public meeting at Begachandra Open Air Theatre in Palace Compound, where speakers recalled the events of August 27, 1965. Former President of Amsu, Y. Priyakumar, former President Kokomi Kamira, Y. Kithiran, former President Birendra Chingakam and former Secretary General N.G. Devendra, along with other eminent persons, graced the observance.
Begachandra Open Air Theatre Botana Salakanda, Equimiam, Fam Pangtok Sagani, I Aquina, Handak Kisahigi, Soina, Handak Sahigi, Equina, Amsuna Tabum, Machumna, Matokang, Batabum, Aduga, Equit him, self reliant Mikap on the Manipuramo, Menisi Hyper, Equiton Antonaba, institutions in Tongan, pumping the campaign, Sala Matunda, Nasi closing ceremony, Oina, Adugalina, Luna, Equigi, Fuga Matoira, Chuba Chalam, Ning Torum, Equipishum Singa, Hikalekata, Magitoramasi, Pangtok Sabani, Aduga. Hauzik ngasi pangthokpaga loinana paliba lengaksi maikaida Amsu gi site thamjani ngasi hauji Manipur da tangdu sahi ahum helaglaba tangdu leita fiom ma leitriba aduga loinana hauji census tawgani haidana kanna census exercise tawraiba si laibak yamna thibani maramodana paliba lengakna NRC hana tawra matungda census pangthokpinaba Amsu gi maikaidagi ningsingjari.